When my wife and I first got together, we used to make candied bacon. We took that recipe and applied it to our holiday ham. We came up with a candied ham. We're going to make it in our Instant Pot today. That's me, I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. We're going to get it started by making the rub for our ham with some brown sugar, ground clove, some cinnamon, ground ginger, a little granulated garlic or garlic powder, and some onion powder, some chili powder, some paprika, some salt, black pepper, and some cumin. Go ahead and mix all those flavors into each other real well. Just like that. It's time to make our pressure cooker cooking fluid with some pineapple juice and Worcestershire sauce. We're going to spice it up a little bit with some apple cider vinegar, a couple shots worth, and just a little bit of liquid smoke. Use hickory or apple wood if you like. Let's sweeten it up with some honey. Looking good, honey. Yeah, mix that honey into your fluid real good. We'll hit saute and warm it up a little bit. We'll get the zest from one orange. And we'll juice that orange too. We'll add that orange juice to our sauce there. And we'll get that zest in there too. We'll mix it all together. Time to rub that ham. We're going to make sure it's covered real well on the outside. It is a spiral cut ham, so we're going to get as much rub as we can in between each slice there. Get that flavor everywhere. Thanks for the help, buddy. I appreciate it. You're a good dude. We'll get a little bit on the other side too. Alright. Let's tuck that ham into our Instant Pot. Sprinkle what's left of that rub on top. We'll put the lid on. Seal that pressure release valve. And we will pressure cook for 2 minutes a pound of ham. 21 minutes. After that time's up, we'll release our pressure and take our lid off. Wow. Alright. We'll take that ham, put it on a plate, pour some of that juice over the top. Wrap it up in aluminum foil, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll make a slurry with some cornstarch and some of the cooking fluid too. What a crazy color, huh? Mix it up well until it's nice and smooth. Whisk that slurry into our cooking fluid and make ourselves a nice sauce or a ham gravy. That's what I'm talking about. Get it boiling for a few minutes and then we'll cancel our saute. The ham just pulls right off. You can take as much as you want with little resistance. We put it with some scalloped corn and cranberry cherry sauce. There's some of that ham gravy. Ham just soaks it right up. Such a wonderful warm flavor in that sauce. I sure do love candied ham. It is a Christmas ham for sure. There's no easy breezy brown sugar ham. This is some flavorful candied ham. Oh yeah, so good. Thanks everybody, I had a whole lot of fun. Time to say goodnight. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell and get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends and family. We appreciate it. If you're interested in this recipe, there's a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it on our website. Print it off and check out our other recipes too. Happy holidays, everybody. Enjoy your ham. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.